This video, we listed the 5 best drones that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a lightweight and portable drone designed for adults, featuring a 4K video capture resolution and 48MP still resolution. Key features include extended flight time, long-distance control, auto-follow capabilities, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, and one-button return. It's particularly notable for weighing under 249 g, potentially exempting it from registration in some areas, and offering stunning vertical videos in 4K, 60fps HDR. The package includes the DJI RC2 remote controller, multiple intelligent flight battery plus batteries, a charging hub, and various accessories like spare propellers and a shoulder bag. Enhanced safety is ensured through omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and users can enjoy uninterrupted flights with extended battery life and real-time aerial footage via 20 km FHD video transmission. It allows customized intelligent tracking through active shots 360 degrees, making it easy for beginners to capture complex and smooth videos. Number 2. KINGULL G9 Drone with 4K camera and GPS. The KINGULL G9 is a 4K UHD camera drone designed for users of all skill levels. It features a 4K camera with a wide-angle lens, GPS-assisted functions like auto return and follow me, and a remote control with a display screen to monitor the drone's status. The drone boasts a long flight time of up to 45 minutes with 2 batteries, a brushless motor for stability, and a lightweight, foldable design for easy portability, eliminating the need for FAA registration. It's equipped with smart return features for safety and GPS and optical flow systems for precise hovering and stable flight. Number 3. HOVERair X1 Self-Flying Camera Drone. The HOVERair X1 is a compact, user-friendly, self-flying camera drone designed for capturing stunning photos and videos hands-free. Weighing just 125 g, it's easily portable and doesn't require FAA registration. It boasts intelligent flight paths, 2.7K video resolution, a triple stabilization system, and a fully enclosed design with safety guards. It comes with a storage bag X1, battery X1, HOVERair X1 self-flying camera, with battery X1, battery charging hub X1, USB cable X1. Its 32 GB of internal storage provides privacy and eliminates the need for SD cards, and users can monitor the camera feed and control the drone via the HOVERAir X1 app for optimized shots. The HOVERair X1 is ideal for vloggers, adventurers, and anyone looking to effortlessly capture and share memorable moments on social media. Number 4. DJI Flip Camera Drone. The DJI Flip is a compact, gray drone with a 4K camera capable of capturing 48MP stills and 4K, 60fps HDR video. It features full coverage propeller guards, a lightweight design under 249 g, and a 31-minute maximum flight time. The package includes the drone, an RC2 remote controller, 3 intelligent flight batteries, a parallel charging hub, a shoulder bag, spare propellers, cables, and tools. It also boasts subject tracking capabilities and a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor for enhanced image quality. Note that the DJI Fly app is not available on Google Play and must be downloaded from the DJI website. Number 5. Potensic Atom 3-axis Gimbal 4K GPS Drone. The Potensic Atom is a lightweight, palm-sized drone designed for adults and beginners, boasting features like a 3-axis gimbal, visual tracking, and quick shots. Weighing under 249 g, it doesn't require FAA or remote ID registration, making it highly portable. It captures video in up to 4K at 30 frames per second using a Sony CMOS sensor and 12MP camera, offering stable footage even in windy conditions. The Fly More combo includes 3 batteries, a parallel charging hub for fast charging, and a 64 GB micro SD card. With Surgefly technology, it offers up to 6 km transmission range, and its GPS capabilities and auto-return function ensure safe and steady flights. The drone also supports firmware updates for continuous improvements to flight experience and shooting quality.